before miracles appear in your life, they first awaken within you. Today, let's awaken that part together. This morning could change everything. Welcome, beautiful soul. Thank you for choosing to begin your day here. Find a comfortable position and gently allow your body to relax. Let your shoulders soften. Unclench your jaw. And rest your hands wherever they feel most at ease. There is nowhere else you need to be. Take a slow, deep breath in. And gently breathe out. Again, breathe in fresh morning air. And exhale anything that feels heavy. With every gentle breath, feel your body becoming lighter and your mind becoming quieter. Notice the warmth of the air on your skin. Imagine the gentle glow of the morning sun. The peaceful sound of birds in the distance. And the quiet promise of a brand new day. Each breath reminds you that today is full of possibilities that have not yet unfolded. Now picture a warm golden light above you. As you breathe in, this beautiful light slowly flows through the top of your head. Filling your entire body with peace, hope, and gentle strength. It moves through your heart, softening every worry and washing away any lingering doubt. With every breath, the golden light grows brighter. Not because you are creating it, but because you are allowing it to shine. Imagine this light expanding beyond your body. Surrounding your home, your loved ones, every step you will take today. You begin to feel open, receptive, ready. Nature never decides who deserves the sunrise. The rain nourishes every flower without choosing which one will bloom. The wind carries its gentle song to anyone willing to listen. Life does not withhold its beauty, and neither are you separate from its blessings. You are part of this same beautiful rhythm. Today, choose to believe that wonderful things can happen for you too. Not through force, not through worry, but through openness, trust, and a heart that is ready to receive. Take a quiet moment now to feel gratitude. Gratitude for this new day, for your breath, for your heart that continues to hope, for the blessings you already know, and the beautiful surprises that are quietly making their way toward you. Now gently repeat these affirmations in your mind. I welcome this day with an open heart. I am aligned with peace, love, and possibility. I trust that life is unfolding beautifully for me. I release resistance and receive with ease. My energy attracts kindness, joy, and abundance. I am worthy of unexpected blessings. The universe is always working in my favor. Now allow the words to settle. There is nothing more to say. Simply sit with these feelings for a few quiet moments. Notice your body becoming softer, more open, more receptive. Feel yourself gently aligning with the loving rhythm of the universe. There is no need to chase what is already finding its way to you. Carry this quiet confidence with you as you move through your day. Walk with hope. Speak with kindness. Notice the beauty in small moments. And trust that every peaceful thought and grateful heart creates space for new blessings to enter your life. May today surprise you with unexpected joy, meaningful connections, and gentle reminders that life is always supporting you. If this meditation brought a little more peace and hope to your morning, I'd love to hear one word that describes how you're feeling today. And if you'd like more moments like this, please like and subscribe to the channel. Have a beautiful day.